I think the point that Sushant made was about the social dimension, and I couldn't agree more. Because I think at the end of all this, what is the purpose of education? The ultimate question, can we make a difference to the lives of people? Because again, it's not about further accentuating the digital divide and the differences, but trying and create that fraternity, which is, I think, the ultimate aim. And I think the point that Professor Chaudhary mentioned about rankings also playing a very important role, because that's a kind of thermometer, I mean, that you can refer to really figure out, are we in the right direction? As a final exercise here, I think in the context of this whole revolution happening across the world of open education resources as well, where boundaries are breaking down, we have people like Professor Mangal Sundar here from IIT Chennai. We do hope tomorrow there'll be, in the sharing session, some opportunity for all of us to look at some of the points that were made in the plenary about Coursera and all these open education resources that have completely changed the dimensions of this problem. And I think as a very small, definite but tangible outcome, one of the things that this ICAI, where so many people from so many diverse backgrounds, heterogeneity have actually assembled here, could do is actually try and be a part of this higher education forum, so that it's not only individual university to university partnership, which is absolutely welcome, ought to happen, but we can also all collectively collaborate and try and see how we can allow greater choices, greater mobility for our students, notwithstanding some of the regulatory challenges now of foreign universities not being able to set up an exclusive campus here. But even notwithstanding these constraints, we can still look at paradigms of our students probably co-authoring papers, doing a reading and research paper, as it happens in many universities across the world, earning credits for it, which can be stitched into the credit requirement in their parent degree university and so on. So on this note, we'd like to again thank all these speakers and also invite all of you for a very stimulating session tomorrow afternoon, the essence of ICAI, as it were, which will be to deliberate on what could be the shape of a higher education forum and something like a multiversity. So it's not about individual universities, but if we can all collaborate and do something larger than that. Thank you very much, and we'd like to acknowledge the value that all the speakers here have brought to the table. Thank you, Professor Jain, especially, for a very efficient, excellent session.